Alright guys, today we're going to do a product review on this Chemical Guys headlight restorer. We got this 4Runner here that has some pretty hazy headlights, so we're first going to clean it off with some Chemical Guys waterless car wash. We're going to put some masking tape all around it, and then we're going to use, I got a Harbor Freight drill, some Amazon backing plates, and this kind of copycat Hex Logic mini pad thing. So we're gonna clean it up and tape it up, and then we'll see a little bit more here. Okay, so this is it, all taped up now and cleaned off, and I actually did run over it quite a few times and got a decent amount of stuff off the headlights, but they're still, as you can see, they're still pretty hazy. So we're gonna see just what the stuff can do. So I'm gonna take a few drops. Let's see. So I'm going to do a couple drops here, here, here. I'm going to start with that and see how it works. Alright, so ended up going through about 5 drops maybe, but even within like the first 30 seconds you could definitely start telling the difference. And I went ahead and put a line in between so you can kind of do like a 50-50 shot, and I mean already you can kind of tell it's fairly significant. So I'll take this off. Yeah, that's a pretty big difference. So I would say this product is expensive, but considering it's a one-step, I would definitely buy this than a whole bunch of those 3M headlight restore kits, because I mean that just took no time at all. And I mean, every time I've used one of those wet sand methods, it takes 20 minutes or something, and that took less than 5 minutes to do that. So I don't know. Let me know what you guys think.